Okay, welcome everybody to today's session. And today I will request Malini to share her Reiki experiences. Malini has been practicing Reiki now for more than 2 years, and she has been doing regular Reiki healings. So I've invited her today to share her experience.
Hi everyone, and thank you, Kashmira, for giving me this opportunity to share my experience with others. Like you said, it's more just 2.5 years I was introduced to Reiki, and honestly speaking, I wasn't aware of what exactly is it. No homework done. It was like a blank slate. I purposely wanted to come to you as a clean slate so that I don't have any, preconceived thought process or anything about Reiki. So, to be honest, initially I did not feel that connect or that strong connection, or I was not very regular also. So, I would like to share my experiences, give some tips totally based on my experience because I felt lost initially, and I think many of us sailed in the same boat initially. And then you come up with some doubts, and asking you is quite intimidating कि ये कैसे पूछे. So at least I felt that way. And then being not very regular also ऐसा लगता था maybe I have missed out on something, or I am doing something the wrong way. But after some time, especially this COVID time has been a blessing in disguise because I got a lot more time to do it, and plus I saw amazing results the way it was helping me with my health and helping others also. So coming back to the tips or experience, I would say honestly, initially when you told us to do the 21-day self-healing, there were times when I felt very lazy. Started very enthusiastically, but when you reach the thighs, knees, and the legs part, na, तब लगता था कब जल्दी खत्म करना है, and felt very lethargic at times. But I did the 21 days regularly, but after that it was off and on. Then there were times when I felt very calm and connected to this energy. So it became a real routine for me to do the self healing. And I continued it for quite some time after that. And I realized that I need to be in that flow without thinking too much. And that another thing is that so many thoughts come in while we are on that particular point. Although the whole intention, everything, affirmation is there, still something, acha, kitchen mein ya kal kya karna, all those thoughts used to come to me. And then I used to bring my awareness, ki, nahi, 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 I have to focus on this. So all of this did happen with me. And then as I started doing it, I realized that I just somehow, one day I came across very nice music on YouTube. And then playing some music helped me to focus, and especially with the earphones. Without earphones, again, it was a little haphazard. But when I used the earphones and I was doing self healing, I felt very focused, and it went smooth, very smooth. So that is one thing that helped for our confidence. And I started enjoying it, which is very important because unless you enjoy it, I think it doesn't work that much. So then I was into crystals also. थोड़ा इधर उधर से I read and collected some more crystals. Then I made the whole ambience very Reiki oriented. So the fragrance, candles, and all of that. I had a very nice Reiki tray. So after I started using that, I felt even better, and a set routine. Every day this time I have to sit down and do this. So my children also knew not to disturb. So I used to be in my room with my music and the fragrance, and the whole thing was very nice and gave me a very spiritual feeling. So that is when I started getting more into it. So like these things helped me. So I just hope something like this will help you all also. And I used to listen to people in some videos or otherwise people who are into spiritual modalities. कि you get that guidance and you're guided and intuitive powers. तो मुझे लग रहा था I don't know whether that will ever happen with me or not. But the more I started practicing, and suddenly, that guidance used to come, and it was so magical. I'm still getting goosebumps when I'm sharing that. So it was, like cut से something downloads, and it is very difficult to explain. So that guidance also started coming, although it is off and on. But that was another beautiful thing that I experienced. So I would say that what I have realized, there is nothing right or wrong way of doing Reiki. You should go listen to your inner or your higher guidance and be intuitive also. So getting too much into nitty gritties, ये गलत है, ये ऐसे इसके बाद ये step फिर वो step, all of that just spoils it. So going with the flow and being innovative, enjoying it, and second level when I learned the symbols and all. So after that, now using symbols, dil khol ke, wherever it is not a set pattern, 1, 2, 3, 4 steps. So I use it in various combinations, and it works. So I realized ki, no boundaries, and be more playful, experimental with it, and the more it enhances the intuitive powers as well as the healing powers. The energy works beautifully. So this was about my learnings, and my experiences are amazing. I mentioned earlier also that it has worked with gadgets also, and not once, many times. Now तो मैं children से router नहीं चल रहा, रेकी दे दो. So whatever happens na, so they will, and otherwise they're very scientifically proven चीज होनी चाहिए and all of that. But when they are in trouble, exam है रेकी दे दो या कुछ भी होता तो they'll also come to me. And I've seen it working with like gadgets on health. Many people have recovered from their health issues when I've given them healing, to the extent that the surgery has been cancelled where the person was to undergo surgery. And with anxiety or fear or just a panic attack, this happened with a friend of mine. She was just panicked. This was after this COVID only, when the online teaching and all started, and she's a school teacher, so there was a lot of pressure on the teachers that time. So I think there was too much of work, and she started panicking, and she called up and she asked for healing. And about half an hour, I didn't get a call from her. So when I called her, she said I almost went to sleep. So she was that calm, and she couldn't believe it that she was panicking, and suddenly she was so calm. So it works beautifully. And when I see the results, I get more encouraged. And that trust and faith is very important. So it definitely gives a boost when it works. But there are times when there are no results. So ठीक है, that is also part and parcel of it. And I related to like learning driving. कि theory हो गया, instructor के साथ भी बैठ के ऐसे चला लिया, but once you're on the road with the steering wheel, that is when you actually learn. So with Reiki also I feel the same way. Once I started it full-fledgedly, that is when I started seeing the results. So it is just that regular practice works very well, and it is very important. So this is my journey, and this is my best companion. Every day I show gratitude to God for giving me a companion. I feel very safe and secure. I'm surrounded by Reiki, and there is something to bank upon. Whenever there is a situation when you feel क्या करना है, क्या होगा, what will happen, suddenly that is replaced. Okay, Reiki is there, don't worry, everything is okay, everything is happening for a reason. So I feel very safe and secure and very blessed to be into this modality of healing. Thank you, Kashmira. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. It has been beautiful watching you also evolve as a healer. And I still remember that day when you called up and told me, I actually got guidance today. Like it just felt like it downloaded into the system. So, and throughout the workshop, you used to be like, I'm not getting anything. I'm not getting anything. So I've seen
Yeah.
those changes coming in. So it's very encouraging for, I think, others also to see that it does follow like that, as long as you're regular and you keep practicing. So, for those of you who are watching this recording, I'd like you to know that Malini has a beautiful enterprise called Rahat. And if you want, you can follow her on Facebook. She also regularly sends full moon healings for Reiki to whoever requests it. So if you can go and follow her on Facebook, you'll be able to access those healings of hers as well. And she's a beautiful, beautiful person. So I'm sure you'll enjoy all her posts. I do. Okay.
Thank
Thank you
you.
so much, Malini.
Thank you.
Thank you,
I'm just going
Malini.
to split this
Thank you,
recording.
Malini.